Using AI to optimize your email marketing campaigns can increase your open rates by up to 50% and your click-through rates by up to 30%, and I've seen this firsthand with my own campaigns. Right now, most marketers are still using manual methods to test and optimize their email campaigns, which is a huge waste of time and resources. I've been using a specific AI tool to automate this process, and it's been a game changer for my business. What most people do wrong is they try to use generic AI tools that aren't specifically designed for email marketing. These tools might be able to generate some basic email copy or subject lines, but they're not able to analyze your specific audience and tailor your campaign to their needs. They also don't take into account the latest trends and best practices in email marketing, which is a constantly evolving field. The actual method I use involves using a tool called Automate.io, which is specifically designed for automating email marketing campaigns. The first step is to connect your email marketing software to Automate.io, which takes just a few minutes. Then, you need to define the parameters of your campaign, such as the audience you're targeting and the goals you want to achieve. Once you've done this, Automate.io uses AI to analyze your data and generate a customized email campaign that's tailored to your audience's needs. The results I've seen have been incredible. My open rates have increased by 45%, and my click-through rates have increased by 27%. I've also seen a significant reduction in the amount of time it takes to create and launch a new campaign, which has allowed me to focus on other areas of my business. One specific campaign I ran using Automate.io targeted a subset of my audience that had abandoned their shopping carts. The AI-generated email campaign reminded them about the items they had left in their cart and offered them a discount to complete their purchase. The results were astounding. We saw a 32% conversion rate from the campaign, which was significantly higher than our average conversion rate. To give you a better idea of how this works, let's walk through a step-by-step example. Let's say you're an e-commerce business and you want to launch a campaign to promote a new product. You would start by connecting your email marketing software to Automate.io, and then defining the parameters of your campaign, such as the audience you're targeting and the goals you want to achieve. Once you've done this, Automate.io would use AI to analyze your data and generate a customized email campaign that's tailored to your audience's needs. The campaign might include a series of emails that are designed to educate your audience about the product and encourage them to make a purchase. The AI would analyze your audience's behavior and adjust the campaign in real time to optimize the results. For example, if the AI sees that a certain segment of your audience is responding well to the campaign, it might adjust the campaign to focus more on that segment. To start using Automate.io today, all you need to do is sign up for a free trial on their website. From there, you can connect your email marketing software and start defining the parameters of your campaign. The tool is relatively straightforward to use, and there are plenty of resources available to help you get started. One thing to keep in mind is that Automate.io is a powerful tool, and it does take some time to learn how to use it effectively. However, the results are well worth the effort. I've been using the tool for several months now, and I've seen a significant increase in the effectiveness of my email marketing campaigns. In addition to Automate.io, there are several other AI tools that can be used to optimize email marketing campaigns. One example is a tool called Sendinblue, which uses AI to analyze your audience's behavior and generate customized email campaigns. Another example is a tool called MailChimp, which uses AI to optimize the timing and content of your email campaigns. These tools can be used in conjunction with Automate.io to create a powerful email marketing strategy that drives real results. For example, you could use Sendinblue to generate customized email campaigns, and then use Automate.io to automate the process of launching and optimizing those campaigns. The key is to find the right combination of tools that works for your business, and to be willing to invest the time and effort required to learn how to use them effectively. With the right strategy and the right tools, you can take your email marketing to the next level and drive significant revenue growth for your business. To give you a better idea of the potential return on investment, let's look at some real numbers. Let's say you're an e-commerce business that generates $100,000 in revenue per month from your email marketing campaigns. If you're able to increase your open rates by 45% and your click-through rates by 27% using Automate.io, that could translate to an additional $20,000 to $30,000 in revenue per month. That's a significant increase, and it's something that could have a major impact on your business. Of course, the actual results will vary depending on your specific business and your email marketing strategy, but the potential is there. In terms of the cost, Automate.io offers a range of pricing plans to fit different budgets and business needs. The basic plan starts at $29 per month, and it includes most of the features you need to get started. The premium plan starts at $99 per month, and it includes additional features such as advanced analytics and customization options. Overall, I'm extremely impressed with Automate.io and the results it's been able to deliver for my business. If you're looking for a way to take your email marketing to the next level and drive significant revenue growth, I would definitely recommend checking it out. The first step is to sign up for a free trial on their website, and to start exploring the different features and tools that are available. From there, you can start defining the parameters of your campaign and launching your first automated email campaign. It's worth noting that Automate.io is a relatively new tool, and it's still evolving. However, the company is constantly updating and improving the platform, and they offer excellent customer support to help you get started. In addition to email marketing, there are many other areas of business where AI can be used to drive significant revenue growth. For example, you could use AI to optimize your social media marketing campaigns, or to generate customized content for your website or blog. The key is to find the right tools and the right strategy for your business, and to be willing to invest the time and effort required to learn how to use them effectively. With the right approach, you can unlock the full potential of AI and take your business to the next level. One final example of how AI can be used to drive revenue growth is through the use of chatbots. Chatbots are AI-powered tools that can be used to automate customer service and support, and they can be integrated into your website or social media channels. By using a chatbot, you can provide 24/7 support to your customers, and you can help to increase customer satisfaction and loyalty. You can also use chatbots to generate leads and drive sales, by providing personalized recommendations and offers to your customers. Overall, the potential of AI to drive revenue growth is vast, and it's something that every business should be exploring. Whether you're looking to optimize your email marketing campaigns, generate customized content, or provide 24/7 customer support, there are AI tools and strategies that can help you achieve your goals. By investing in the right tools and the right strategy, you can unlock the full potential of AI and take your business to the next level. So why not get started today, and see the difference that AI can make for your business? It's time to stop wasting time and resources on manual methods, and to start using AI to drive real results. With the right approach, you can achieve significant revenue growth and take your business to new heights. The future of business is AI-driven, and it's time to get on board. By using AI to optimize your email marketing campaigns, generate customized content, and provide 24/7 customer support, you can stay ahead of the competition and achieve your goals. So what are you waiting for? Sign up for a free trial of Automate.io today, and start exploring the different features and tools that are available. With the right approach, you can unlock the full potential of AI and take your business to the next level.